Hey, I'm with Steven here, and we are going to give you another great tip for designing a BI system that people will actually want to use.
You got to iterate quickly. Don't try to make it perfect on the first try, right? A lot of people say perfect is the enemy of good. I think it's the enemy of done. You'll never get it done. You'll never get it used until something is out there and being used. So don't try for perfect. Iterate quickly.
So get out there, get some metrics. Heck, we've done it where you don't even have them on a board yet. You just pull some queries, get some kind of interesting metric for the business meeting on Monday where you're talking with your leaders, and you see if that is a useful information, and then you measure it again next week. And then if you decide that it's a great metric, then yeah, say, you know what, that deserves to be on our board. But if you're not using the info, then that's a great way to quickly iterate and decide, is that a useful metric or not, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. It gets you that quick iteration. You know it's working. You know it's the right thing you want to be measuring. And it has the added benefit of kind of driving the excitement of people using it. Like, oh, we can use data to make decisions. This is awesome. I'm going to start thinking about other things that I want tracked.
Yeah, yeah. And measuring the results. Yeah, if you see the next week where it's like, hey, we made a decision on some information last week and now we see the data is better. Oh my gosh, yeah, you're on it. We're on
Mm-hmm.
target.